How to place a paper trade on Webull. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can place a paper trade on Webull. So to do that, first of all, open the Webull app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, you'll have to tap on the menu option which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're on this page, simply tap on the option paper trade. Now tap on the option quick trade which is right over here. After that, you'll have to select a stock in which you want to paper trade. So once you find the stock, simply tap on the paper trading option which is on the bottom side of the screen. Now you'll have to edit and confirm your order over here. So if you want to choose your order type, you can only select between limit order and a market order as they are the only two orders available for paper trading. Now once you've done that, tap on the paper trade option which is in the bottom side of the screen and then you'll have successfully submitted your paper trade order. So that is basically how you paper trade on Webull. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.